a safe 4th of July, here's a message from the preventer.
Hey, check this out.
Every year, hundreds of people see their dreams go up in smoke as a result of illegal bottle rockets. When this shoots into the air, you don't know where it'll land. Maybe on someone's roof. That's what happened here. Explosives like these are against the law, too. Almost all of the serious injuries that happen every year come from illegal fireworks. Remember, if it goes up in the air or explodes, it's dangerous and illegal. But some communities permit a limited variety of fireworks that have been approved and tested by the state fire marshal. Check with your local police or fire department to see if they're allowed where you live.
Would be so cool to get fireworks that'll go up like that.
We can't get the kind that go up like that anyway.
Hey, what if I know where to get them?
Come on, play.
I won.
You don't have to win all the time, Danny. You won before.
I won.
We'll do it in my yard after everyone's at the show in the park.
You didn't win.
Shh. Are you sure no one will know?
Yeah, I got it. Don't worry. I want to go too. No way.
Yeah, maybe about 4 or 5 years.
Come on, guys. I can help carry stuff.
Not the stuff we're getting. See you later.
I always win.
Sometimes you're no fun.
I know where there's a lot of fun. Let's follow them.
Where?
If we knew where, it wouldn't be fun. Or don't you have the guts?
I'm not chicken. Stinks over here.
Shh. Can you see what they're doing?
The guy put something through the window. Uh-oh. You know Three Finger Steve?
The guy at the gas station only has part of a hand.
He was holding an M80 and it exploded.
He blew off his fingers.
That's how he got his name. Wait, he's giving the M80 back.
He's taking a bottle rocket. Oh, go back!
Hey, look! Wow, what do you think it is?
M80.
I don't know. I want to keep my hands.
It's not gonna happen to us. Let's show the kids at the playground.
I'll give you this cat for the cow. Okay.
Wanna see what we got?
We're busy. What is it? It's a bug or dead thing. I don't want to see it. What is it, Carl? Well,
We can't show you here.
We could go behind the tree.
You don't really have to see it.
I want to. Come on, Lisa. We can finish this later. But if it's yucky, not looking next time. Ooh.
What is it?
You'll see.
We found it on the ground. It would go off if someone lit it. Hey, wait a minute. Steve lost half of his hand, and he's big. It could really hurt us.
Don't tell me I don't know what to do.
I want it.
Do you know what that was?
Fireworks.
No, that's an M80. People sometimes call them fireworks, but they're not. They're dangerous and illegal explosives.
It was gonna blow up on me?
Yes, it was.
I don't know.
You were just showing off. That's what.
I wasn't trying to hurt anyone.
I believe you. But illegal fireworks do hurt people. M80s, firecrackers, bottle rockets, and other illegal fireworks are dangerous. If a bottle rocket lands on a wooden roof, it starts a fire. People have lost their homes that way. People I know.
Bottle rocket? Isn't that what TJ had?
Yeah, he was holding one. My brother, he's in my yard and
There's a lot of bushes back there.
he's gonna set off a bottle rocket.
Let's go.
Sounds like your little brother.
Forget it, he follows me around.
Don't do it! It's gonna land on your house. Please don't!
I didn't throw it on the roof. I didn't. All of a sudden, the wind.
I know.
But we made a good team, though, didn't we? We saved our house together.
Yeah, big guy.
You're a winner. If I ever even see an M80 or a bottle rocket,
Or firecrackers.
I'm not getting near them. I'm either going to one of the big shows,
Or maybe next year, one of our families will get those state-approved kind. The kind you were talking about.
Be sure to check first and see if they're permitted here. Have a safe holiday.
Bye.